Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to game share and play the campaign for free in Modern Warfare 3. So let's get straight into it. So basically, in order to do this, what you're going to have to do is there is actually no real method of doing this as of right now, but there is a workaround or a light fix. And this workaround is basically the person that you are game sharing off of. So let's just say it's your friend. What you're going to do is you're going to create a party with them. I'm pretty sure you need to have them online. I mean, that's why I can't show you, but it's pretty simple. You just have to basically create a party with them on PlayStation, and then your friend is gonna share their screen, and then what they're gonna do is they're gonna pass the controller to you. Now, once they pass the controller, you can now basically play the campaign, and yeah, you can do anything you want. Now, when the actual game comes out, you'll be able to play Search and Destroy. You'll just be able to do everything. But as of right now, if you want to play the campaign, this is the only way you can do that. I'll say it again. You're gonna start a party with your friend. The person who has the game downloaded is going to it's going to share their screen, whatever. And then from there, they're just gonna pass the controller. And then once they pass the controller, you should be good to go and you should be able to play the game. And yeah, so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.